Hello, welcome to How to Grow Begonias from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available in most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet, you'll find growing conditions and growing times for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Water the compost. We're doing this now because if you did it when the seeds were in, you may wash them away. Take the seeds from the packet and sprinkle them evenly on the surface of the compost. The seeds are very fine and it's a bit fiddly to sprinkle them evenly. Do not cover the seeds with compost because light is needed for their germination. Fit a label, then fit the propagator lid and keep at 24 degrees C. Step 3. Within 2 to 3 weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. Still keep warm and moist, but remove the propagator lid. Step 4. Transplant the seeds into a seed tray. First fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Use your fingers to make a small hole in the compost. Carefully remove the seedlings, trying to get as much root as possible. Place the seedling in the hole in the compost and then gently press down. Carefully water the seedling, ensuring that you don't wash it away. Step 5. Keep warm and watered and the plants will begin to mature. My plants all grew at different rates, but all turned out healthy. Step 6. When the risk of any frost has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside. Dig a small hole using a gardening trowel. Now water the plants before transferring them. Carefully take the plant from the seed tray, taking as much root as possible. Plant it in the hole in the soil and then gently press down around the roots. Finally, water the plant into position. You can also plant begonias into pots. Fill the pot with compost first. Then make a small hole in the centre of the compost using your fingers. Take the plant from the seed tray and then press it into the hole in the compost and gently firm around the roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 7. After a few weeks, flowers will begin to appear. Remove any dead flowers to prolong flowering. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.